Let us do an example using Bayes' theorem. Question says a bag A contains 2 white and 3 red balls, and bag B contains 4 white and 5 red balls. So we have two bags, bag A and bag B. Bag A has 2 white and 3 red balls, and bag B has 4 white and 5 red balls. Now one ball is drawn at random from either of one bag, and it's found to be red. Find the probability that the red ball is drawn from bag B. Now first we will draw a tree diagram. Now we have only two bags, and probability of selecting a bag will be equal. So probability of selecting bag number A is half and bag B is also half. Now given that if we select bag A and we pick, probability of picking three red balls, actually 3 red balls. Given that we have selected bag A, and after selecting bag A, probability of picking red ball is total 5 balls, and out of these 5 balls 3 are red balls. So 3 upon 5 is probability of picking red ball. Similarly for bag B, let us select bag B, and given that we have selected bag B, then probability that we select a red ball is total 9 balls, and out of 9 5 are red balls. Now in question we have to find, given that we have picked a red ball, so how many ways we can pick a red ball? So we can select a red ball from bag A and also from bag B. Now selecting red ball, from probability of selecting red ball from bag A is, first we have to select bag A, so it has probability half, and selecting red ball has probability of 3 by 5. Similarly for bag B, we will multiply this half and 5 by 9. Now this is the total probability of selecting red ball from either of these two bags. Now what is the probability that the ball has come from bag B? So we have to find this branch, probability of this branch. So half is probability of selecting bag B, and after selecting bag B, 5 by 9 is probability of selecting red ball from bag B. Now if you calculate this out, you will get your answer as probability is equal to 25 by 52.